Love taking selfies or capturing lovely views? Well, you can now scale up your phone photography with the best smartphone camera lenses. Pick one among our recommended products on the list to enjoy the benefits of telephoto imaging and macro shooting anytime you want. It's now easy to access distant objects without the trouble of carrying heavy cameras and professional lenses. You can now optimize the capacity of your smartphones with this amazing accessory that provides ultra-wide angles, zooms, and other specific optics. There's no other need to buy or switch to the latest mobile models, because an add-on lens is a smart investment. Are you ready to get familiar with our best smartphone camera lenses? Well, let's start. Leading out our list is the Universal 3-in-1 Camera Lens Kit. This photography powerhouse set has a macro lens, a fisheye lens, and a wide-angle lens for your ultimate experience. The variety of lenses makes mobile photography more exciting, giving you versatility and the best shooting options. The fisheye lens offers a vantage perspective and optimum barrel distortion. Find the perfect viewpoint by moving it around and exaggerate the distortion up to the edge of the frame. The macro and wide-angle lenses are attached together, helping you focus the phone within 12 to 15 mm target range. You can easily fill the frame with the subject and capture amazing details. If you want to use the macro lens only, then unscrew the wide-angle lens. All the lenses are crafted from high-grade aluminum material to increase the product's durability and attractiveness. And they're compatible with different mobile devices, digital cameras, and cell phones, including the iPhone 3, 4, 5, 5C, 5S, 6, 6 Plus, 7, and X, the iPad Air 2, 3, and 4, and the Samsung Galaxy S3 to S9 Plus, and many more. This pocket-sized set comes in a velvet carrying bag, so you can take it anywhere while keeping the lenses safe and clean. Indulge in your passion for photography and take photos anytime the inspiration strikes. The portable and detachable lenses are easy to use, so capture everything to store memories and good times. Our second favorite is the K-Cliff's cell phone camera lens with tripod and phone holder. This professional-looking tool is equipped with a 20x telephoto zoom lens that can capture 60% clearer photos than other brands, helping you bring subjects from across 1,200 yards closer to you and capturing their beauty with ease. The dual focus feature of the lens allows easy adjustment and rotation to shoot distant scenes while letting you use it as a monocular telescope to simply view the beauty around you. Now it's more convenient than ever to produce long-range and close-up shots without compromising the image quality. You can be sure to have excellent color saturation whenever and wherever you are, so take it with you while camping, hiking, traveling, or during sporting events, or birdwatching, musical shows, fishing, and more. The tripod cell phone holder provides stability once you attach the lens to your device, eliminating the hassle of shake while you're aiming at your targets, so you get more stunning photos or videos. It's made of premium quality material and crafted with precision to bring universal compatibility, whether you're using the iPhone, Samsung, Huawei, Sony, HTC, Xiaomi, iPad, Motorola, Nokia, LG Nexus, Google Pixels, and other models, you can get the same experience. To use it, just attach the clip to the phone and then center it with the phone camera. Gently rotate the screw to tighten the clip. Keep the clip in place while screwing the lens. Position the phone on the phone holder and adjust to find the best focus. Finally, click to enlarge the screen of the phone to prevent any dark corner during the shoot. So what can you say about our first two camera lenses? If you have comments or questions, then feel free to write them down in the comment box. We're happy to read your views and we'll do our best to answer your queries. If you're not yet a member of our friendly community, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to get an instant notification when we upload a new product review. Now let's continue. Next on the list is the On Smartphone and Tablet Clip-On. This sleek and compact accessory is powered with a telephoto lens that offers 8x zoom ability, making you shoot professional quality videos and images using your mobile phone or device. If you want to capture the 65-degree field of view, opt for the manual focus to gain the best perspective. It turbocharges your device camera, letting you capture all the subtle and small details that make the scenes more appealing and awesome. You can easily capture events and moments that you want to treasure using this clip-on unit. Whether you're a newbie or a professional photographer, you get the best shooting experience with ease and convenience. It's constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring that it's durable and long-lasting. Scale up your Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook timeline with beautiful photos and videos that will captivate the senses of your followers, letting them share special moments with you. If you're an aspiring photographer, then this portable accessory can help you hone your skills. Keep this compact accessory with you wherever you go and enjoy taking photos that you find interesting. It comes with a lens cap that keeps the unit in pristine, scratch-free condition. There's a carry pouch that holds it safe during transport or storage, and it suits all types of cell phones and mobile devices. Our fourth item is the 50x Universal Optical Zoom mobile phone camera with tripod. This compact and lightweight accessory helps you focus using one hand or provides stability when you place it on top of a surface. This 40 by 22 mm lens boasts 50 times magnification and makes every subject closer and clearer. Distant and difficult to access views are now easy to capture, helping you appreciate the small details around the object of your attention. Even night scenes are more fascinating and unpretentious with all the shades and shadows. It's equipped with high transmittance HD multi-layer broadband capability that generates a high color reproduction. With enlarged and upgraded eyepieces, this item fully supports mobile phone shooting. It's ideal during action-packed events like auto racing, horse racing, hunting, sporting events, as well as travel, boating, bird watching, or simply enjoying the beach scenery. The moisture-proof, waterproof, and fog-proof structure of this product makes it a perfect tool for outdoor use in any weather condition. This portable and versatile piece also acts as a reliable telescope that helps you watch and capture special moments. Avoid using the telescope to gaze on the sun directly because it can cause permanent eye damage, and don't attempt to remove or clean the telescope inside to keep it in excellent form. One more product to review, and you can finally choose the best one for you. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the bell icon for instant notification of our newest videos. Now on to the last product. Our last item is the EEE Kit Circle Clip Cell Phone Camera with 10-inch LED ring light. It comes with a built-in mobile phone holder and tripod stand to provide convenience when you're taking photos or long video clips. The super bright 36 LEDs come in handy during the shoots, creating videos, live streaming, and other tasks like reading and writing. There are 3 color lighting modes: low, medium, and high brightness to produce warm white and yellow hues. Each mode is equipped with 10 brightness adjustments that let you choose the right amount of illumination to meet your needs. This 2-in-1 easy-to-detach lens kit helps you capture a whole group in one frame, thanks to the wide-angle lens that expands your field of view for landscape and panoramic images. The macro lens helps you take clear and sharp photos that display significant, tiny details. It easily fits your purse or pocket, so take it with you all the time to capture all the beautiful views around you when you travel or attend events. The integrated battery is rechargeable, which is a plus when you're in the outdoors. Use the attached USB charging port to recharge using a handy power bank, laptop, mobile power, or computer host. This exquisite accessory is compatible with smartphones, laptops, and tablets, which include HTC, Samsung Galaxy, LG, Motorola, Sony, Huawei, and Google. Having one handy is a wise decision if you're a photography enthusiast or love to post awesome photos on your social accounts. Why settle for less when you can have a clearer, better video or photo? It's time to equip yourself with the best phone lenses that add greater magnification. If you're ready to get one for yourself and your family, then please click the link to the product of your choice to get a great deal and have it delivered right to your doorstep. Do you have products that you want to be reviewed? Well, leave it in the comment box, and we'll give it our utmost attention to grant your request. Don't forget to tap the bell icon and we'll notify you whenever we have a fresh product review. Click the bell icon to join our growing community. Thanks for joining us on our 5 best smartphone camera lens review. See you in our next video.